Hi guys, this is Bharat from 2nd BTech Aditya College of Engineering and Technology. We're a group of 6 members: Bharat, Rakesh Kumar Sharma, Sai Kumar, Raghuvamsi, Datsai and Lalita. We're heading with our first project, mouse control by hand gestures. So the device we have created is here. This is used to control all the actions of the mouse like dragging, clicking, scrolling, selection, etc. So let us start from the circuit. These are the things we required: soldering set, connecting wires, hand gloves, Arduino Leonardo board, plastic box, PCB board, and gyro sensor GY61 and 2 flex sensors. So let us start from analyzing the circuit. Here in the circuit it is clearly visible that we have used only 5 analog pins of the Leonardo board, and 5 volts and the ground is common for every element in the circuit. Here A0 to A2 are given to the gyro sensor, such as A0 is given to the Z, A1 is given to Y, and A2 is given to the X axis. And A3, A4 are given to the flex sensors 1 and 2, such that we can know the readings of the flex. Here I have used 82k ohm resistors. You can use any resistors that are available with you. And be careful with the resistors because the values of the flex sensors change with the resistor you using. Cut the PCB board in a size that the holes should sink to the analog pins of the Leonardo board.
Do up a do up shoo, be do be do up a do up a do up shoo, be do be do up a do up a do up shoo, be do be do up a do up a do up shoo, be do be do.
She give me catching all night long.
Do up a do up shoo, be do be do up a do up a
Since we are
do.
using 5 analog pins, make these pins are for analog pins and these 2 pins are for 5 volts and ground, and these 5 pins are for gyroscope GY61.
Do up a do up shoo, be do be do up a do up a do up shoo, be do be do up a do up a do up shoo, be do be do up a do up a do up shoo, be do be do.
She give me catching all night long.
Do up a do up shoo, be do be do up a do up a do up shoo, be do be do up a do up a do up shoo, be do be do up a do up a do up shoo, be do be do.
She give me catching all night long.
Do up a do up shoo, be do be do up a do up a do up shoo, be do be do up a do up a do up shoo, be do be do up a do up a do up shoo, be do be do.
She give me catching all night long.
Do up a do up shoo, be do be do up a do up shoo, be do be do up a do up a do up shoo, be do be do up a do up a do up shoo, be do be do up a do up a do up shoo, be do be do.
She give me catching all night long.
Do up a do up shoo, be do be do up a do up a do up shoo, be do be do up a do up a do up shoo, be do be do up a do up a do up shoo, be do be do.
She give me catching all night long.
Do up a do up shoo, be do be do up a do up a do up shoo, be do be do up a do up a do up shoo, be do be do up a do up a do up shoo, be do be do.
She give me catching all night long.
Do up a do up shoo, be do be do up a do up a do up shoo, be do be do up a do up a do up shoo, be do be do up a do up a do up shoo, be do be do.
She give me catching all night long.
Do up a do wop shoo, be doo be doo wop a doo wop a doo wop shoo, be doo be doo wop a doo wop a doo wop shoo, be doo be doo wop a doo wop a doo wop shoo, be doo be doo
She
wop
give me cotton all night long.
doo wop a doo wop shoo, be doo be doo wop a doo wop a doo wop shoo, be doo be doo wop a doo.
Since there are two resistors, leave these two places for the resistors, and let us give the positive 5 volts and the ground to all the elements in the circuit.
Doo wop a doo wop shoo, be doo be doo wop a doo wop a doo wop shoo, be doo be doo wop a doo wop a doo wop shoo, be doo be doo wop a doo wop a doo wop shoo, be doo be
She
doo wop
give me cotton all night long.
doo wop a doo wop shoo, be doo be doo wop a doo wop a doo wop shoo, be doo be doo wop a doo wop a doo wop shoo, be doo be doo wop a doo wop a doo wop shoo, be doo be
She
doo wop
give me cotton all night long.
doo wop shoo, be doo be doo wop a doo wop a doo wop shoo, be doo be doo wop a doo wop a doo wop shoo, be doo be doo wop a doo wop a doo wop shoo, be doo be
She
doo wop
give me cotton all night long.
doo wop a doo wop shoo, be doo be doo wop a doo wop a doo wop shoo, be doo be doo wop a doo wop a doo wop shoo, be doo be doo wop a doo wop a doo wop shoo, be doo be
She
doo wop
give me cotton all night long.
Here is the final circuit. There should be two resistors here and here, and a gyro GY61 here, so that these two wires, that is A3 and A4, are given to the flex sensors 1 and 2, and these 3 pins, that is A0, A1, A2, are given to the gyro sensor, and the positive and the ground are common for all the elements in the circuit. Make these points as sharp. So this is the final circuit. Make sure that these analog pins and the positive and ground pins are sharp, so that they easily get into the Arduino board. I'll show you how. So this will easily get synced into the analog pins, and this will look simpler and beautiful.
doo wop a doo wop shoo, be doo be doo wop a doo wop a doo wop shoo, be doo be doo wop a doo wop a doo wop shoo, be doo be doo wop a doo wop a doo wop shoo, be doo be
She
doo wop
give me cotton all night long.
doo wop a doo wop shoo, be doo be doo wop a doo wop a doo wop shoo, be doo be doo wop a doo wop a doo wop shoo, be doo be doo wop a doo wop a doo wop shoo, be doo be
She
doo wop
give me cotton all night long.
doo wop a doo wop
So
shoo,
this is the
be doo
final device we have created, and now let us go to the programming part. The software can be dumped into the Arduino board by using the Arduino IDE. It is freely available in the internet in the Arduino homepage. Since we are using only the analog pins from A0 to A4, the 5 pins are named as shown here. Reading the values of these pins, we can assign the values of the pins to perform certain actions. In Arduino, there are predefined libraries which can directly interact with the computer, so it is much easier. Now let us dump the software into the board. Here at the left bottom, we can see that the software is downloaded. It is uploaded. So now it is working. Sorry guys, I have a problem with my flex sensors. You can see here I have a cut here on the top layer of the flex sensor, so it is not working. So be careful when you work with the flex sensors. The layer is very sensitive and it may damage the sensor. So I have replaced them with the press buttons. So I will show you now how the mouse is working. So this is the device which we have created, and we have replaced the flex sensors with the press buttons since they are not working. And let me show you how it is working. Let me open the left top folder and show you the programming which we have done. It will take some time to open the Arduino IDE. So this is the program we have done, and let me show some values. These are the values I'm getting. So when I'm using the left click, you can find the left click value is becoming 0, and when I'm using the right click value is becoming 0. Now let me show something else. I'll close the tab. This is my Facebook page, and I will scroll down. Let me give a click to my friend. Since we haven't have an other button for scrolling, like as in mouse, we should have to press both the buttons and move the hand as like this, so that we'll get into the scrolling. I'll show you how. I'm sorry. This is how scrolling goes. Thank you for watching.